everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, free courses, hackathons, tech opportunities, career opportunities for both students and working professionals. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so you never miss any latest updates from my channel. And also follow my social media handles for more. So in my previous video, I have explained how to enroll in NPTEL course. So in today's video, I'll explain how to complete the course or how to access the course and how to complete assignments and how to attend the live sessions and everything. So if you have doubts regarding any of this, you can just stay till end and watch the video. So now let's open NPTEL website. You can go to browser and type NPTEL. Click on Swayam. Click on sign in and then just if you know your password and all, you can just go with it. If you don't know, you can just continue with Google and your account will be logged in. And to access your course, you can just click on this, click on my courses. So recently I have registered in this course. So click on go to course. And don't worry if you want to register for exam and don't know the registration process, I'll upload in next video. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure to on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Click on go to course. So here is the course. So here you can find the courses. So you can find week 0, week 1, week 2. If you click on week 1, you can find the course. You can go with this video, or if you want the material, you can just go to week 1 lecture slides. You can find this. Here you can find lecture slide. Click on lecture slides. And if you don't understand the videos also, you can just go one by one and learn about this topic. And if you don't understand this, you can upload it in any AI tool and it will explain you. Okay. In that way, if you have any FAQs, you can go through that. Practice assignment also there, quiz. And while writing quiz, make sure you're scoring well in that. You're scoring 100% in that because this will help you in your final score. So make sure you're writing this carefully. And if you can also first learn and also you can take the help if needed, but make sure to get 100% marks in this. Week 2 also you can just go like that, and week 2 assignment you can complete. And also you can download the videos, you can refer books, text transcripts, and for important announcement you can click on announcements. And you usually get like week 1 session or like any live sessions you get here, or anything about deadline, course deadline you get here. And also in your mail you'll get these like session live session dates. Just go through it. So in mail you'll get like this. You can join using the link. You have the session on July 28th, 6 to 8 p.m. You can click on open, join on this browser, and you can join the meeting. And for assignment, I would say first try it yourself. If you don't get, then take help. But make sure to write the exam properly so that you don't fail at the last. And for exam tips, exam registration, or anything about NPTEL, if you want to know any details about NPTEL, make sure to subscribe. I'll keep uploading videos on that. And if you found this video helpful, please like, hype, and share this with your friends. It really motivates me to keep bringing such genuine opportunities for you. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.